ARC Machines Incorporated is the world's leading manufacturer of automatic orbital pipe, tube, and tube sheet welding systems, with thousands of systems in use worldwide. AMI tube welding equipment is ideal for projects ranging from on-site welding to the most critical welding applications. For example, the semiconductor industry is concerned with microcontamination, so AMI systems are an integral part of component manufacturing facilities. The food, dairy, and beverage industries need extremely cleanable welds and portable welding systems that can perform maintenance and expansion work within existing facilities. For pharmaceutical and biotech tubing installations, the principal concern is product contamination, and AMI orbital welding products provide excellent build clean, install clean systems. The aerospace industry demands absolute weld integrity while working with specialized, lightweight, and exotic materials. AMI's orbital welding equipment produces precision welds on titanium hydraulic lines for Cessna's fastest business jet, the Citation 10.
That was very critical because of that aircraft. We was really trying to downsize weight. We reduced 280 some pounds of weight throughout each wing, plus part of the fuselage wherever the hydraulic lines all went.
The versatility of AMI products provides our customers the flexibility they need for these and many other industries.
The client that we work with in the food processing industry prefers and in fact has spec'd orbital welding on many of the projects that we've worked on because of the quality that is in the interior of the weld. There is no chance of bacteria growth because of not getting full penetration in the weld.
This versatility is achieved through the Model 4, Model 8, and Model 9 series of weld heads, and a variety of power supplies. The Model 9 series offers 10 basic weld heads that can be configured over 60 different ways. These models and configurations allow welding on tubes and fittings from as small as 1/10 of an inch up to 7.5 inches in diameter. They can be configured for many different fittings, including pulled tees. The Model 8 series of weld heads provide the same great performance and range as the Model 9 series, but have a narrower cross-section. AMI power supplies all provide the same high reliability, ruggedness, and versatility that AMI is known for. All AMI orbital welding systems are designed with reliability and repeatability in mind. Leading contractors and manufacturers depend on AMI to perform day in and day out.
What we do at Aquafine is build water treatment systems with a non-chemical ultraviolet light system. We selected ARC Machines because the workmanship of the weld head and the materials that were used in the construction of the weld head were far superior of the weld heads that we had used in the past.
When I think of ARC Machines, I don't think of downtime. I don't think of pieces and parts that I can't get. I don't think of equipment that I can't get on my job sites. I think of profits and productivity. When you walk a University Mechanical job site, you will see University Mechanical gang boxes, and next to them you'll see ARC Machines.
The challenge with this project here at the Smith Dairy Plant in Tolleson, Arizona was to put in a tremendous amount of piping in a 10-week period with limited shutdowns of the facility. This project on the process piping of the stainless steel tubing was 17,000 feet and approximately over 4,000 welds. We found that all welds done orbital passed 100%. We analyzed the project, looked at the time frame, and realized that without the use of orbital welders, this project could not have been completed.
To ensure that all AMI customers obtain the maximum benefit from their systems, all customers receive specific application-oriented training, either at AMI or at their locations. In addition, AMI offers a monthly, no-charge fusion tube welding class at our factory training center.
In the past, with the manual welding versus the orbital welding, I was one of the hardcore ones and didn't want to go with automatic welding. And then I learned the machine and learned how to use it and found out that this is the best way to go.
To further aid our customers, AMI provides complete service support, including a dedicated in-house overhaul and repair facility, as well as maintaining a multi-million-dollar spare parts inventory.
I feel that AMI's customer service is first-rate. Any issues that we've ever had, there's always been somebody there to talk to us or certainly returned our call in a timely manner, and we're more than willing to help us out, either technically over the phone or send somebody out to the job site to help us with our problems.
In my conversations with the service department and asking for spare parts for the AMI weld heads, I've been able to receive spare parts in a very timely fashion. If I could put a number on it, I would say within 24 hours I have my parts.
AMI customer support also includes a worldwide network of offices and factory representatives. AMI invites you to visit our website at www.arcmachines.com. Arc Machines is committed to achieving the highest levels of customer satisfaction. How would you sum up your experience with Arc Machines?
Perfect. Splendid. Good piece of equipment. All of that good stuff.